பார்த்துக் கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புத ரேசு டிவி, சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புத ரேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன்.
From Jainism, அவருடைய பிரதிநிதியாக ராகேஷ் கத்தார் அவர்களை அன்போடு அழைக்கின்றேன். நல்ல ஒரு அருமையான ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் வைப்ரேஷன் ஆன் his face. Most welcome. Let's give a big clap and welcome him.
Happy evening, everyone. You may be finding me a little different because everyone say good evening. Why do I say happy evening? By sir, whenever Deepavali comes, we say happy Deepavali. On Christmas Day, we say happy Christmas. On New Year, why only on few days we say happy, no other day only good? We know better, the good can become better and better can become best. The ultimate goal of good, better and best is to become happy. So why only on birthday we wish happy birthday? Let be every day of the 365 day in a year be the happy day and be happy evening. Thank you. Fantastic thing, they meet with those people who are from different faith. It's something like that we are taking a flight from here to Frankfurt. Going to be 20 hours flight, and in this flight, we have in a row 8 seats. We may not be knowing them before, and chances are bright we will never meet them again also. Am I right? If you are taking a flight to Frankfurt, but still we are very courteous to our fellow passenger. Hello, how are you? If it had been only 1 hour flight, we may not talk also. But being the 20-hour flight, we do speak to something. What do you do? How do we behave that time? We behave as the best gentleman ever. But the same thing when it comes to the neighbor who is going to live for the 40 years together, our attitude changes. The person whom we are not going to meet for the rest of the life, we speak very happily, we are very courteous, we are welcoming them, and we don't mind whatever attire they wear, we don't mind whatever the feelings they have, we don't mind whichever faith they believe. But when it comes to an apartment where my neighbor is believing something else and we meet every day in the park, and there comes the question, you are from BJP, I am from Congress, you are from Christianity, I am from Jainism, and from there, difference of opinion starts. Lord Mahavir said, let live and let live. But I would like to go a step further today. Whoever brothers and sisters are sitting over here, I would request everyone, gone is the time that we should say, live and let live. No, we can help our brothers and sisters to live happily now. Sir, in 1981, when the IT industry came into India, and Indians have become the best of the person who can serve in the IT industry, our salary from 15,000 per month have come to 15 lakhs per month. Now there is going to be a change in this 21st century, in the 21st year. The technology is changing very fast. Now what we require, sir, in the journey together, sir, this together word, we can put it in 3 words also, sir. To get her. Journey together, journey to get her. What is that her? Peace, prosperity, happiness, all this we should achieve. When? Suppose, sir, if we are alone, and I alone construct a very high-rise building, and there is slum nearby, I tell you, the living is not a good one, sir. If I rise with all my brotherhood, with all my brothers and sisters, and we all live in a better place, that is the place where we should all aspire for. How we can do? The technology is changing. We request all the elderly people and the people from the society who are leaders, please take care. Whatever has been told up till now, everything is fantastic, sir. You all spoken the things which is written in the scriptures. But now we need something more, sir. The India is with 135 crore people requires revolution. We are having good base. Basically, we all are divine from inside. But Today we have to be more technical and see to it that we help everyone who are in need of the help. And please do not hesitate any time to come to the Jain community to ask for any kind of help, whether it's in education, whether it is in enlightenment, whether it's in technicality, whether it's in business, or whether in the prosperity, or whether somebody is really in the need of help. Please do. Together we can do the best world and we can achieve. And together, journey together. Sir, only one request I would like for the organizers. Marching towards peace and communal harmony. Marching with peace and communal harmony will make the journey even better. Thank you.
பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புதரேசு டிவி, சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம், என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புதரேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன்.